Good morning, children, and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Science Lesson 4. It's a new month today. It's the month of April, and the week is already about to end. In today's lesson, you will learn about animal sounds. Oh, I am so excited. And I know how much it excites you. I'm really missing you guys. I wonder what it would have been, you and me in the class and making animal sounds together. Oh, I really miss you guys. Okay, let's talk about what we are going to learn in this lesson. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to differentiate between the sound of various animals. As you know, we have studied earlier humans, animals, and non living things make sound. So today you are going to explore animal sounds. Animal sounds, I want you all to pause the video for a moment, go back, and press the link down below and watch the video. Listen to different animal sounds and come back. Alright, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, let's review. Do you remember what you learned in previous lesson? Let's recall. We studied about what are many different sounds around us, humans, animals, and non-living things make sounds, right? A thing that makes a sound is source of sound. Some sounds are loud, some sounds are soft. When you guys were watching the video, did you notice that some animals make really loud sound while the others are soft? Like the loud sound, let's say, what loud sound you heard in the video and what soft sound you heard from that video. Oh, look, there's an interesting fact. It is you cannot see sound coming. Can you see sound coming with your eyes? No. But you can sometimes feel it. Isn't it interesting, guys? I want you guys to let's find out something. I want you guys to go and stand near your window or the door of your room and then close your eyes. Listen carefully. What different sounds you hear. And then think, are those sound loud or those are soft? Think about it. After this video, I want you to go back to OneNote and find the link below. You have a small homework. It's about animal sounds. I hope you will enjoy it. And please do make sounds while you are doing that activity and enjoy it. There are some additional activities for you. Online assessment as well. Don't forget to write your name, section, and grade. See you in the next lesson tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye for now. See you tomorrow.